Adam, you doing your vlogs?
Yeah.
You need a link to the Bajo Vlogs TV?
Oh my.
Hey guys, this is called the Bajo Vlog. Bajo Vlog. Bajo Vlogs TV.
Oh shoot. Computer's still playing. Just watching the CTFXC vlog. So I want to catch up on that. I haven't watched them in a while. I caught up on my Shaytards vlog though. Hi Mom.
Hi Adam.
What are you doing?
I'm good.
Yeah. Hey guys, my dad's still sleeping. Look at this. Gotta be very... Okay, I'm gonna warn you this, okay? I'm gonna warn you. Gotta be very, very quiet. Okay? Here we go. I'm going in. Here we go. We're going in.
Scared ya, didn't I?
Oh my god, that's funny. I'm gonna open my blind. And my mom didn't get Red Dead Redemption, so she said she couldn't find him at Walmart or anywhere else. So my friend at school said you can get him at Northern Lights Video. So when we drop off the videos, we'll head on the other side of the street or whatever and go see if they have it, because I really want it. It looks really cool. And yeah, it's a pretty nice day out today. Not windy, it's not raining or snowing. So yeah. See, I had proof. It's 12:59. Whoa, I almost fell off like that. There we go. I'm good. It's 1 o'clock there. You run to my room. Better run. Run. 12:59 there. See, we have, okay. See, this is how it works. This side is like the pass, and then as soon as you walk out this, bam, you're in the future by like 1 minute, I swear. See, that's 101. Run over here. 101. You're going back to my room. That's 1 o'clock. Oh, that's cool. Where is pineapple grown? Tropics? What do you mean by the tropics?
Caribbean, warm climates, like South
Like Florida or
Africa,
something? Hawaii?
more, yeah, Caribbean islands.
I don't know, we're Canadians, so we don't know anything about that.
Dominican Republic,
We're Canadians, eh?
Mexico.
What are you doing?
Adam, you doing your vlogs?
Yeah.
You need a link to the Bajo Vlogs TV?
Oh my god.
Don't attack me.
Psycho bloody dog. Christ, dog.
So we're meeting Cody at the skate park, really?
Right now?
No, 2.
2? I don't know. What's up, Dave? Why you got like the big lumberjacket coat?
What? Because, man. What do you think?
Is it cold out?
No, it's nice out.
No.
And y'all because all my sweaters are stinky.
Nice.
Jacket just got wet.
That kid vlogging. So we're waiting for Cody, and then we're gonna go find some spots.
Funny, you just go. You see a rubber duck.
Yeah.
You see like anything, you like go up to anything and just see like a random like rubber duck on the street. We could skate this shit.
Hey YouTube, what's up? We're just working on David's video right now, and it's 3:30 right now. We're like basically working on the intro. We got 3 different intros, I think.
Hey guys,
So yeah, he's over there vlogging, and we're at the skate park. And there's Cody. Almost Cody. And yeah. So yeah.
Oh no.
It's not as cold out as today. It's not as windy. It's like nothing out. It's really good, except it's kind of cloudy a little bit. So I just got a text message from Alex So much for camping in GP. It's snowing here. Look what David or Alex texted me.
What?
So much for camping in GP. It's snowing here. Help! Man, I wish my camera could zoom. You hear that, you Americans? It snows in May in Canada, Alberta particularly. It snows. I guess I'll see you later. Next, like in the next second. I guess I'll see you later. I don't even know who I'm trying to be. Bye. Okay, David. I guess I'll see you later.
Alright.
Gotta go have my dinner.
Man, I don't even feel like moving anymore.
Just like faint. Well, see, David.
Saturday.
This is the vlog.
No, vlog.
Yeah.
Why did we call it vlog?
Cause it's like a daily video or daily diary or something.
Okay. Go on and look at
The Adam Show is every Tuesday and Saturdays, and the vlog is every day.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm chicken wings, guys. Intense close up. Are they ready?
Yes, they're just gonna go in the barbecue. They're cooked. I'm gonna put them in the barbecue a little soft.
What are you having, Dad?
Pepsi.
Pepsi. That's not Pepsi.
This is?
Why is it pink? You're weird. Hey guys, I'm just gonna import, upload, and edit and all that stuff for the vlog. And yeah, I'm gonna start a little earlier today. Okay, you can't read that, but it's 9:30. And yeah, so I'll see you tomorrow.